Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Our host for this week's stamping collab was Frances from Dolphin Chick Nails, and she decided to do a secret mani swap. I got to choose one of the manis created by Melanie from Lisba's Nails. And here's how I created it. I used my ZJoy-014 stamping plate and these 3 Sinful Colors nail polishes. They're from the SinfulShine collection. I created a gradient using the 3 polishes and the negative space of the stamping plate. I did the same thing on all my nails. But I forgot to apply my liquid latex around my cuticles, so now I'm going to have a lot of cleanup. Since I don't have the stamping plate that she used for her manicure, I used my black stamping polish from Beauty Big Bang and the image on this plate to create the same design. Once I'm done with the stamping, I can clean up. I use a piece of tape to clean up as much as possible, and then whatever's left, I use my nail art brush dipped in acetone. After cleaning up, I finish off with my Pure Eyes Shine Lock It Down top coat. I really wanted my manicure to look as much as possible like hers, so I used a Sharpie marker to apply little specks of black in the areas that were empty. And I think it looks a lot better like this. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!